tutorial on my niece. What's her name? Huh? They can see your Fia! Look how she's shy, pero sa totoong buhay, IRL, hindi po siya shy. Napakakulit po niya. So, today is your what?
Christmas all around the world.
Christmas all around the world program.
Okay, let's start by parting the hair. Ayan, sa gitna. And then, yung magkabilang dulo, iti-twist-twist lang siya, roll-roll lang yan. Kailangan nyo ng sanrio or rubber band to tie the hair. Ayan, like so. Okay. And you will also need hairspray pala to keep the hair in place. So, i-check lang natin kung tama nga yung placing ng headdress. There. So, yung ginawa ko, yung kasi may bang siya, para lang walang nakaharang sa mukha niya. Parang pinasok ko siya dun sa may headband. Parang inikot-ikot ko din siya dun para walang nakaharang. That's why parang, ayan, that's what I'm doing there. Tapos ginamitan ko rin ng hairspray para magstay siya in place. Twisted it into a low bun. Ayan. Kasi gusto niya daw nakataas kaysa nakababa. O, diba? Right, so a little more hairspray. And naglagay din pala ako ng mga hairpin just to make sure na parang hindi siya magsasabog-sabog or hindi gagalaw masyado yung headband. Ayun. Actually, ganun lang yun. Yun lang siya. Twist, twist. And then, onting hairspray, hairpin, sanrio. That's it. Satisfied naman siya. Then let's go on to the makeup part. Lagay lang tayo ng moisturizer. Yung aloe vera ng Human Nature ba yun? Yun. Okay. I-groom lang natin ng onti yung kilay. And then, ayan. Okay. So, ginamit ko lang yung EB Advanced Brow Define eyebrow liner in brown. Okay. And pinalo ko lang yung shape ng kanyang kilay. Tapos, wala masyadong arch. Kasi diba pagka yung sa mga Korean look, parang straight lang siya tignan. So, yun lang din yung trinay kong i-achieve with her kilay. Followed by yung brown powder just to make it look more natural. Yeah. So nothing to define.
Nag-burst ka naman.
Okay, so let's move on to her eyelids. I'm using yung Shein na product na matatagpuan sa dollar store. Sa Market meron din sa Santa Lucia. So yun. Yung parang copper pinkish tone. Onto her cheeks, ginamit ko yung Autumn Clay Blush from RMK shop. Yun. Lagay ko lang siya both cheeks and just used my, as you can see, my thumb to parang scatter siya to achieve that medyo arawan look. And then that's also the one that I use for her lips. The good thing about it is it's organic, sabi nila. Here we use the Precious Minerals BB Cream Moist ng Etude House. Okay, so using a damp sponge, and I was just pressing it into her skin, buffing it into her skin. And okay, she's obviously enjoying this part. Yan, so pantayin lang natin, pati yung leeg, lagyan, huwag kalimutan lagyan. Yung tenga. Then I went back in with the clay blush to add a little bit more color to her cheeks. Yan. We are almost done with this. So yun lang, moisturizer, eyelids, kilay, and then the blush, and the combo. And we're done with her makeup.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.